In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto-forward on Yahoo Mail step by step so you can send incoming emails straight to another address without having to move them manually. This is a super helpful setup if you want to stay organized, check one inbox, or make sure important messages are delivered somewhere else automatically. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll want to click your profile icon. This is where Yahoo keeps your account settings and personal options, so this is the first place to start when you want to manage your mail account. After that, click Manage Your Account. This will open your Yahoo account settings page. From here, you're not inside your inbox anymore, so don't worry if the layout looks a little different. What you want next is the section that controls your mailboxes and connected email accounts. Now go to Mailboxes. In this area, Yahoo shows the email addresses connected to your account. Select the email account you want to set up for forwarding. If you only have one account, it should be easy to find. If you manage more than one mailbox, make sure you choose the correct one before moving to the next step. Once you're inside the correct mailbox settings, look for forwarding in. This is the option that allows Yahoo Mail to send copies of your emails to another email address automatically. Keep in mind that forwarding in Yahoo Mail is available for Yahoo Mail Plus subscribers, so if you don't see the option, that may be the reason. If your account supports it, you'll be able to continue with the setup. Next, enter the email address where you want your Yahoo emails forwarded. Take your time here and make sure the address is typed correctly, because even a small typo can send your messages to the wrong place or stop forwarding from working properly. If you're forwarding to a work inbox, a backup account, or another personal email, double check every character before you continue. After entering the destination email address, click Verify. Yahoo will use this step to confirm that the forwarding address is valid and that you have access to it. In many cases, you may need to open the receiving inbox and confirm the verification message before forwarding becomes active. This is a normal security step, and it helps prevent emails from being sent to an address you don't control. Once verification is completed, your auto-forwarding setup should be ready. From that point on, Yahoo Mail can automatically forward incoming emails to the address you added, depending on your account settings. This is especially useful if you want a central inbox, if you're transitioning to a new email address, or if you just want to make sure you never miss an important message. A quick tip before you finish: always test the forwarding setup by sending a message to your Yahoo address and checking whether it arrives in the forwarding inbox. That way, you can confirm that everything is working as expected. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and recheck the forwarding settings to make sure the account was verified successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to auto-forward on Yahoo Mail. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time every single day. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.